Is your animation floating like this? Are you not able to understand why your expressions are not switching in the correct timing and why they are floating? This is the reason. If you will see, your timeline would be more than this. So always when you are switching your expressions between one emotion to another emotion, you need to have an eye blink. So we will add an eye blink here. I will just make sure that I reduce the distance first, and then in between I will add an eye blink. For having the eye blink, I'm going to bring this down for around 90%, 90 to 95%, and the remaining 5% is going to be the lower lid getting animated. And same goes for the other eye. Now you need to have your expressions also coming down. You cannot have the expression directly switching. So there has to be an in between for the expression. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a down pose for the expression. Now when you are hitting an in between for the eyes closed, make sure that you have one frame closed eyes. If you see here, everything is stopping for one frame, and this is not looking believable. This is more of mechanical. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an cushion in the eyes. So the distance traveling, I will add a little more distance. Both these controls, I will make sure they come in down together so that there is a cushion for one frame like this. Now if you see, can you see this? Now we need to correct the arcs of our eyebrows so that it looks transitional correctly. Can you see the transition happening smooth now? This. Now again, it's a little bit mechanical because the opening and the closing time is the same. So what we can do is we can close it fast and open it slow. So one frame you can delay in your opening. This will add more life to your shot. And this is how you should be animating your eyebrows. It's going to be snappy. Your eyebrows are always snappy. This is how you can have the transition of eyebrows, and this is how your eyebrows will not look floaty. I believe you like this video and follow me for more such videos.